Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel The Learning Page. Let's dive into the video. Digital marketing refers to any type of marketing efforts that include online channels to reach customers. Some examples of these channels include search engines, social platforms, Google sites, email, PCC ad networks. Using these digital marketing channels provides you with lots of benefits when it comes to connecting with customers. According to Statista, the average person spends nearly 2 hours a day on social media alone, with 5 hours of screen time total. That means you have several hours a day to reach customers through digital platforms and make a positive impression. Now let's look at exactly how digital marketing can help your business bring in customers. 1. You can target specific audiences. 2. You can measure interactions to build customer data. 3. It can improve conversion rates. 4. You can create more engaging content. 5. It provides multiple points of contact for customers. 6. It helps you build a relationship with customers. Types of digital marketing. 1. Search engine optimization. SEO refers to the process of improving pages on your website so they are more visible on search engine results pages, SERPs. 2. Pay-per-click, PPC. Advertising is a digital marketing method where a business pays to place an ad on a certain platform and pays the platform each time a customer clicks their ad. 3. Content marketing is the strategy behind how you plan to distribute and promote your brand's content. Content marketing provides you with lots of options for promotion. So, you need to develop a strategy to connect customers with your products and services through multiple content types. 4. Social media marketing involves creating, distributing, and monitoring paid and organic content across a business's social accounts. People are spending more and more time on social media, and brands are creating more and more content across Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok to stay relevant. 5. Influencer marketing is a collaborative strategy between a business and a social media influencer who promotes the business to their following. Influencer marketing includes social media posts promoting products and brands, sponsored blog posts and web content, appearances in paid ads. 6. Affiliate marketing is when an online retailer pays a commission to external parties who bring in referrals. Referrals are typically tracked through links. These affiliate links have a particular tracking code added to them, so the advertising business knows exactly how much of the results are attributable to the affiliate. 7. Email marketing is the process of sending promotional messages to the inbox of potential and existing customers. While email marketing may not seem as flashy as social media or influencer marketing, it's a key component of driving business online. 8. MS marketing involves sending promotional material to a target audience via SMS text messages. SMS marketing is a newer digital marketing channel, with people getting more used to the idea of interacting with businesses directly through their phones to receive promotional offers, product information, personalized messages, surveys and quizzes.